Hey you guys, thank you for watching. First off, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and become a beauty. So let's begin. Basically what I'm doing, my eyebrows are already done and I'm laying a foundation for my eyeshadow. So I basically blended out my concealer down into my eyelids so that way when I start applying my eyeshadow, I'll have a very good solid foundation. It'll have something to stick to, it'll be pigmented, and yeah. Now on to the eyeshadow. So as you've seen in the beginning picture and video, I'm doing a cut crease sunset island vibes look. That's what I'm calling it. Yeah, long, but y'all get the point. So I start with a red and I quickly dab into my eyelid. I love dabbing my eyeshadows in because I feel like it goes on more evenly. When you drag it, it just fades out. I feel like for me, it's my trick to making my eyeshadows be more pigmented and stand out. I went in with a second shade of red just to give it some definition. Then I hit it with a slightly light purple. Well, it's dark but light, just to give it that toning look, to give it an ombre-ish look, like it's starting from dark to light. Then I'm on to my lids. I did a cut crease that ended with like a cat eye type situation. Give me that winged effect. And also I ombreed it out with orange. So it starts off a yellow and then it ombre out to orange. Right now we're just at the beginning, doing the yellow and getting the shape. Excuse my face. It's just ew. But anyways, dabbing that yellow in, building my foundation to my cut crease. The beginning of something great. Yeah, y'all see that? Other side is done. Messed it up slightly, but I got a little trick for y'all. See that? Index card. Take what you don't want it to cover. Dab, dab, dab. Boom. Actually, my foot. Quick fix. I'm pretty sure everybody has their little tricks, but that's just one of us. Now I'm starting to ombre it out with the orange. I started at the end, and I come in so it blends out so nice. Yes, look at this coming together. That ombre. And I swipe real fast just to give it that faded look. Whoop. Y'all see this coming together? Fun side. Y'all see this coming together? I went in with some more yellow just so it can stand out some more. Boom. Y'all see that? And excuse me, I was talking to myself and singing songs. I had music playing. I added some liquid eyeshadow to the yellow just so it can shimmer, give it a nice little boom, a little extraness. Something slight, nothing too major, just slight. So I dragged the yellow down to my bottom lid. Then I took a red, that's the one I first began with, and put it under my underlid. Then onto my foundation. I used two different foundations. The first one is Clinique in the shade 29 Sienna. That's where I use for the parts that light hit my face. Just basically like kind of a contour beginner for real. I had put that on the light spots. Then I moved to my Black Radiance, which is closer to my skin complexion, in the shade 8429 Espresso. Then I dab, dab, dab. Mind you, all my brushes I wet. I spray with my setting spray so they can glide the makeup on and it can press into my skin and blend better. I found this is a trick better for me, especially when I take photos after I do my makeup with a flash. Feel like I don't have no marks, you can't see it. It's a flawless finish for me. No, I am a professional. I am only self-taught and YouTube taught. Always remember to drag that makeup down your neck. You do not want to have a face one shade and your neck another. Learn by mistake. Best mistake ever to learn from. Then I'm on to my contour. Just a little light, just a little lightness to my face. Not much. Just a little. To the parts where the sun hit my face or light hit my face. Just a little. Coming together. Y'all see this? Clean up them eyes so my lines can be defined. Spray. Blend, 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 blend. Yes. Mind you, my favorite technique is dab, dab, dab. Drag a little bit. It works for me. Now I'm all done blending that in. I'm going to come in with a darker shade in a second. Yes. And define my nose. Make my nose look a little bit smaller. Just to contour it. And my cheekbones. To give my face structure, basically. Plain foundation, I just look rounded off. But add them shades and them undertones and lights. And I look real structured. Especially when I smile on pictures, it's noticeable. It goes a long way with a little bit of different tones and shades go. Added a little blush just to give myself a little redness to match my eyeshadow. Not much, just a little. Then what I did is took my fluffy brush, sprayed it with some setting spray, and basically set my face. Make sure everything was where it needed to be, no extras was there. Just wiped away the extras. Now I'm going to highlight my brows with my highlight palette. Just under the brow. Boom. 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 Y'all see that? Coming together. Don't worry, I'm blending it out with eyeshadow. So no, it's not just going to be just right there. Look at that blend out. Yes. Coming together. Now I'm highlighting my face, even though the angle I'm at in the camera, you cannot see the highlight from that angle. I realize that now. I apologize. Onto my lips. I figured with a sunset look, why not do a purple lip? It's only right from light to dark, you know, day and night. Love my lips, by the way. Y'all see that? Greatness. Onto the lashes. Y'all thought I forgot? Can't do a full face beat without the lashes. The blinks, as me and my best call them. We call them blinks. Make sure it's there. Using the tweezers to press them down, get them on my lashes. I do mine over. I know some people that do them under. I feel like mine's last longer when I do them over. Look at that. And we are done. Y'all ready for this final look, though? Oh, y'all ready? And here we go. Sunset look, purple lip, red hair. Just boom. And I thank y'all for watching.